Hello everyone, in today's video tutorial we are going to look at the slide transition. So slide transition simply means that movement we see from one slide to another. So that movement is always clearly visible while we have opened our slides in the slide show view. So to apply a slide transition to a given slide like this one, we go to Animations tab. So from the Animations tab, we have got the transition to this slide group. So from this group, you can access the different slide transition options that you can decide to apply to a given slide. By default, you will find that no slide has got a transition. So that's why we see this no transition button active. So to apply a given slide transition to the slide, then you'll work with this transition to this slide group. To view other different slide transition options, you just click on that button, and here we have got the different slide transition options that we can apply to the selected slide. So if this is what you want, then you will click on it, and that slide transition will be applied to that given slide. So to preview, you just click on the preview button, and then you will see the slide transition there. So that's how you can decide to apply a slide transition to only one single slide. This slide transition can also be applied to other slides that you have in your presentation. However, if you want to give your slides different transition effects, then you will always select on a slide, then give it that transition you want. For instance, if you want that, then you just click on it. So now if we go to this first one and we try to go to the slideshow, so you can see what has happened to our screen. So when we click, then you will see another transition on the slide. Then these other slides which have got no transition effects, they will just not display any kind of transition effect. Now, if we want to apply this type of transition to all other slides, then what we do is to first apply it like we have done, then still under the transition to this slide group, you will click on apply to all. So when you click on apply to all, it means that this transition effect will be applied to all the slides within your presentation. So if you click on the slideshow view, then you try to click to move to the next slides, you can see the same effect on all the slides that you have in your presentation. If you want to change, then you'll just go. If this is what you want, you click. If it is that, you select, then you say apply to all. Now when you go to the first slide and you try to have slideshow, that is the effect that will be applied to all the slides that you have in your presentation. Hope you found this video tutorial helpful to you. That's it for now. See you in our next tutorial.